Nile ku languseni ka certificate ya Professor Baloyi Beni Mayengani la ne. Ina FI 1. Ina FI 1.
Swilaku awatsalang swona na vona leyi.
So luya va nga ku defendeni aka yena I tlhomiwe receiver hi organization leyi nga fanelangiki or leyi pfumalaka matimba ya ku tlhova risimu.
G-Man ngoma uyitsarile na yena I feel like he didn't give himself enough time ya ku lata twisisa ku ri ngoma liya ya fita ku anga yi humesa or not. Suremuna nyimbisa daide.
Na mina ngithe nyimbisa. Uthi kwa urna mbewu nyana. Nyimbisa. And the black myth alandilwana lukulu ashinyimbisa. Bliss boy anyimbisa Makhadzi.
Le Xishenge gang la ihlela hinkwaswo leswi rhumerisaka Gaza vumene vunanga naswona hi tlangela ku humelela lokukulu na lokuntsongo hikuva hinkwerhu hi le ku tlakuseni ka ririmi na ndhavuko wa Xitsonga. Leyi I Xishenge gang Xangi.
Okay, njhani matsanga machangana la mga kona ka xipetani ka dzingidzingi ka dzumeri na hikwako la mga kona hi we futhe ka episode yin'wana ya Xishenge gang ka nhongani ya la no makona vele ka hi sungulile manyiko ya DJ le one episode hi sungula hi ndlela yin'wana ya yo tshoveka timbilu nyana a yi fanele tin'wana hi singa ku hi tsakini hi ri le henhla le hi lahlekelweni ka Gaza hi lahlekelweni xigazeni masiku ndzhaku ku vi ku tivisa timhaka ta leswaku nkulukumba Bevhula va hi siya. So mina loko ni tsundzuka nkulukumba liya ni tiva kecekece ntsena ne hi ba hi khomini hata sala hi ba hi khomini. So n'wina mi tiva ku antswa ni la ku mi byela ku hi lahlekeliwe musicini hi ku famba ka vona the legacy ta mahlweni stava njhani so DJ?
You know, if ni nga vulavula hi Bevhula ni nga n'wi vulavula kusukela laha ni n'wi tivela ko mina.
Kambe huma kwi?
Huma ka Bevhula, wa ka Bevhula wa le hosini.
Sawa Bevhula.
Wa le hosini. I knew Bevhula ana hari Sunday school.
Amngekereke n'we DJ?
Misa loyi. Ana hari Sunday school ne. I remember I ri kereke ngena AFM.
Okay, no. Hlamusana hi Bevhula ndambutsa ku.
Na ta ku hlamusela ku ni tivela kwini.
Loko ndavi ya ka timhaka ta ku mi tsikelini kereke.
A ni tshika kereke man.
Okay, no. Hlamusana
hi so I remember loko a ku ri na youth this youth services. You know loko na youth service va ramba na the artists sometimes.
Yeah.
So they invited Bevhula. He came with his team. That time he was doing house music.
Yeah, you imbelela gospel.
Okay. So they got there vafika va performa ngoma yin'wanyana va ri ya woka murena one pieces. Then ni fika ni rhandza sound liya. I feel like that's one of the things that swi nga inspire me. I loved the sound leyi a va yi tlanga that day. I didn't know kuri that song is part ya there was this group ya vo Bojo Mujo ava ku Drum and Bass Masters.
Yeah, Bojo Mujo part.
Yes, Bevhula was in that team. And the Bojo Mujo was there. I didn't know Bojo Mujo that time. One pieces. Then the time ni sungula kuranda Bojo Mujo. Ni fika ni kutumba risimu leri yako. Hai man. Risimu leri ntshamini ri twa le kerekeni. Then that's when I knew, okay, sure Bevhula is part of these guys. Then I started ni sungula kuranda na music wa Bojo Mujo and all that. So I have
yeah.
Going forward, malembe maya, and then Bevhula asuka ka house music. That's when he came to Xitsonga. La nga fika hlangana na Prince Rangani. And you know mina na Prince Rangani were very close. I knew Bevhula because iloko nisungula ku hlangana na Bevhula leswi swa ku hlangana na yena straight.
Yeah.
Then he became a brother. we used to talk, nalega WhatsApp and all those things. Like he was like a brother. Naloku niya got award last year. We sent a message ka WhatsApp. I know can win. Why was my alone without award? Send a message, da man.
Yeah.
All the best. I wish this year ingakumwa wena because last time you tsandi. So I want is a person who somebody can communicate. So for me, ndakunilahlekeriweni emngana na board because we used to talk na that guy. But what I can say kusenda the condolences ka family abachabeleleki they are on our prayers. Na mina nibabusekile na that is totally babusekile. I'm telling you the impact le angaba na yona ka music was very big. And I'm telling you loko ufika udropa keche namuhla agigini people will still dance. Loko ufika udropa wawa people will still dance. Swarila people will still dance. One to six. So yeah, babusekile snap.
No, na ito. Ako legend vele liya. Nte ba simte mberet na rutayon ko ba kwan go manringan na ngwin.
Won hlamla me them.
Is not speak.
I not speak.
Bekelan mic in.
Lego record ne takufonela unet.
Because I will mic in. Bekelan mic in.
An vekil chum kasi mijani.
Hizi ngashawang nyala.
Yeah, so yeah, ish. Babusekile mfo.
Ne, no, ba muta bachabelerek ikumbekini tani ebatsonga machangani le music tani Shangani gang senda our condolences ashibe kahle music uta amahlweni ta tlanga ku ya amahlweni music.
Yeah.
And bana abasukele ti hoyile to anto loko na mkosi ba posta swilo swo hambana man.
Why to sis?
Asha tsakisa. DJ mataku loko nifika lane ako na hoyi. Kuna hoyi ya shambalo man.
Shambalo sha.
Itsandeki no sungula episode mako re kuna hoyi. Lava veri he sona la veri a sona lava veri kerekelia yona van'wana veri kerekelia a yona cause iri nima na sona van'wana veri animi na sona mara anda ka camera ne kuna stiri.
Wata mina hindla njani?
Mla hindla njani? Ya his
ya hisa lene and singandleka iteka nkarhi because ala ninga ko halanda ka mina kuna vanhu lava va ngo hi yona kuna lava ngo
a yona
but mina ni lava ku ya hi ti facts.
Okay before me the facts ne lawa hi nga bayisi vanhu lava ngisela ku kahle vese lava vula yini.
Yes.
Kuna nkulukumba ne
unga stoja doji
ntangu vula kuna nkulukumba a music una xigazi president Benny Mayengani munhu la tiveka ku South Africa hinkwayo hi side ra xigaza masiku ndaku va ve va honoriwa ya namarena vana va kombisa namarena na certificate xin'wana maxava va nga veka vonelo ra xona.
Yeah.
Maxava va nga vuriwi ne
Hayi ni mavuli.
xava ranks vele vo twa ku exista mara stiko hi yo mara swi ko yi nga vula swa ni tsakisa yi rini mata yi rini exhibit A ngamba ra joke okay laptop okay ngwe exhibit A ne
Exhibit B.
Exhibit B
Exhibit C.
exhibit C because we exhibit D.
Yeah.
Oda ko cosa ne ku santsana ku ngampalushi mako mtsami kami isa nele heta. Okay are ndeko ngwe exhibit D ne ngwe mungatsama lane ngwe exhibit E.
Wa mahlweni okuhekhoza ngwe exhibit D.
Because like amahlweni lava nga tshama la exhibit E. Kuta ku exhibit E lava nga tshama la ya. Cause I did sharp.
Mara anda vula ku a hi tumbelangi. Hi hlela swilo leswi swi nga humelela and then against information leyi nga kona leyi lava ku verify and so forth. Leyi lava ku swin'wana lava ku twisisa.
Yeah.
A hi tumbelangi swa ti exhibit ko va part of intro.
Yeah, true.
And yin'wana ya ko information ne information leyi nga ta yi verify via chain ve chain hi swona council for higher education ya chain kuna information yi nga na yona yi suka ka chain so I information leyi ngo yi tumba kun'wana kun'wana information leyi governor ku ti institution ta South Africa if not even global as one yi collaborate na global institutions so
what institutions ta yini this ta dyondzo
education
it's a
Councillor of Higher Education.
Okay.
Yes.
No, ani vula mhaka ani kuna kereke inga involved.
Nayo ina kuna information inga kona. Organizations. So ile ka ti organizations leti tinga ita ifika ka yo loko ifika kuna statement lexi nga ta xihlaya inga katsiwa kona.
Okay, akuna problem. So President Mayengana ka president ntsena. Say anesti prof president of or Commission President Professor anesti vatsakela swi no mataku a endle njhani okay
ni kombe ku yi sungula mina
okay ku yasala DJ line then swi va endla le mi khambula ku ri mi titwa njhani hi leswi va nga swi kuma and mi ri yini around son DJ
okay ne
n'wini nge vuri n'wi exhibit F mi kwala tikhamereni
meni kwala you know ne
before mi wahlipha mi ta ku ta va na ngoma
I don't know ni fanele ku congratulations or ni fanele but okay
congratulations yes
congratulations because va n'wi respecting that man but ne but mina ni munhu un'wana ne
yeah
wa ku before ni vulavula hi swilo I want to research
yeah
vona ku ri swilo leswi swi vulavuriwaka swi
Is swa njhani
i swi swa njhani one this I went to ChatGPT ne ni fika ni yi vutisa mina cause ti
honorary yes
titles ne
yeah
leti ni ti tivaku ni tiva ku ri ti artist ta ku tala va ti nyika ti degree one piece is the doctorate
yes
doctorate one piece is
Yeah.
va ti nyika ti doctorate a ni nge tshama ni vona ya professor one piece is then I went on ChatGPT ni fika ni yi vutisa ku ri
ntsakela ku tiva ku mi te Beni Mayengani i professor na
ni zani ni searcha le ni fiki ni searcha ku ri it artist ngani
yeah
ti nga tshama ti honoriwa as the professor one piece ivi yona yi ni humesela ku ri amsaveni a yi ni humeseli South Africa amsaveni you globally
yeah
one piece is
Yeah.
there's only 5 people
yeah
only 5 people lava nga tshama va nyikiwa ti honorary professor
yeah
loko ni hlaya further about these people ne these people has been lecturers ava dyondza music at university
okay
they were musical producers ava producer music I'm telling you hambi Michael Jackson uloza afa nga ikumangi that honorary professor one pieces those people bavina impact in'wana yikulukumba ngopfu ka music
Yeah.
one pieces remember loko uri professor you become a supervisor ya dokodela or a candidate ya dokodela
yeah
loko ni hemba
kumtwe
exhibit A kaneta
Yeah.
one pieces
vele yakayo ni vona exhibit F se yi khomina mic
No exhibit F
Exhibit F
yo la ku chera ti exhibit leti nga halanda.
yes
Oh, okay.
one pieces
Ita ranga information lenga ikuma ka chene.
even then
And then say ita kota ku
endla swako
ku endla swako cause ni vona na exhibit
exhibit D
lanwani.
exhibit D yi ready ku dlaya exhibit D na swin'wana
Exhibit E. Exhibit E na when I relax ngopfu because ina the facts like akona.
yeah
Exhibit A yile ku hiseke na
yeah iseka so you pull the laptop
one pieces
Yeah.
so I did that research and so okay a professor does a lot of things you become a supervisor ya ti candidate ta madokodela you wadyondzisa for malembe mo karhi a wo va avo pfuka namuntlha va fika va ku nyika that title va ku professor.
Yeah,
Must
yeah.
do a lot. Na tikhampani wa assist hi swin'wana na swin'wana. Wa twisisa. So u va u ri na impact na le ka community ku ri impact leyi u nga yi endla ya njhani. So coming back to music, loko va ku nyika that title, what did you do?
The president.
That president title i munhu a ngo lo ti nyika a hi title leyi yi ngo lo suka.
Sayina na professor vo ti nyika.
Professor ni u nyikiwi kereke na.
Va vulavula na kereke va ku ni endleni
Professor u nyikiwi kereke.
Va vulavula na kereke ku ni endleni professor.
Professor u nyikiwi kereke. So loko ni endla
Wait.
DJ ngumle kamera yena mina lava hoyi la la
i mali heta.
Me say na 1 minute ka 1 minute.
So loko ni ya mahlweni ne.
Yeah, ayeni mahlweni.
Loko ni ya mahlweni search ni fika ni kuma ku ri a ku na institution
Yeah.
leyi nga ri ku accredited
Mbuliso wala se mla ku jila. Accredited. Yes, yeah.
leyi nga ri ku accredited
Yeah.
ku honora vanhu wa twisisa. Only accredited institution,
Yeah.
and those are the universities. We're talking about universities.
Universities,
Remember, Dr. Thomas Chauke was
Banyikwe,
honored by
Unive.
University of Venda.
Venda,
Wa twisisa.
Hayi kereke.
Hayi kereke. But Dr. Rebecca Malope vanyikwe hi university, like all those people. Wa twisisa. So loko ni cheka ni fika ni kuma ku i kereke, that church is not even.
Na mina
One twisisa.
lawula na mfundisi wa mina Grace Embassy kumshana va nga endla professor.
Na mina ni ta vulavula na mfundhisi le kaya ku nga ta nyika. So that's the information that I got. So mina I don't know.
Exhibit
Na
F.
yona.
Okay, exhibit F ne.
Yeah.
Ndahla a few information leyi nga yi kuma from Chene. Yiri se mtwana tora. Hayi amze khoma na 10 minutes mara se mtwa tora. Mara ai sukeni ka sweswo. Se yiri bara nda sungula laka the process of appointing are generally similar to appointment or promotion of an ordinary professor with some variations. In a university, the title professor is normally confirmed on an academic in recognition of their academic standing, judged by peers in light of their academic distinctions and scholarly achievement. Academic rank is based on contribution in the intellectual scholar, ne? In the contribution in the intellectual or scholarly endeavor, including teaching, learning, research, and or creative outputs. Me tekela hlokweni le creative outputs, ne?
Yes.
Like wela kona the musicians, people who are in the arts industry and all those things.
Yeah.
And then you community engagement, professional involvement, leadership, and management, ne? Any individual who holds the title professor has been promoted to their most senior academic rank
Okay.
based on his or her scholarly achievement.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, if you say 0.2.5 problematic practices of this honoring individuals.
Yeah.
Ne? If you could globally, that's why I need to global. Globally, the most widespread pandemic practices with regards to the award and use of honorary degrees and honorary professorship involves unaccredited or unauthorized institutions or organizations,
Which is churches.
of individuals or organization or individuals are often allocated in foreign countries or based entities online, offering to confer or honorary degrees. But in summary, ne bazama ku hlamusela ku problem leyi va nga na yona currently I ku va ku honoriwa vanhu hi ti organization leti nga accredited wangi hi this chair council man twisisa. So basically the Council of Higher Education yiri leswi endliwaka hi organizations swo fana sweswo
Yeah.
it is not allowed man twisisa nyana so hi ku ya hi higher education mina mavonelo ma mina i ku loko ri ku organization yo karhi ne yi nga kota ku ni honora as mina exhibit F ne ku ni professor which means every organization leyi nga ko a South Africa yi nga swi kota ku honora munhu un'wana na un'wana leyi swi vonaka swi ri fit ku munhu waloye a nga va that professor
Na mina ka Xangani gang mi nga ni honor.
which is wrong according to me because vanhu va swi hakelela swilo leswi hi le swikweletini man twisisa nyana van'wana ha kuma ti-SMS loko ku gonya repo rate sweswi ku NSFAS yi ri hi vuyisa mali ya yona ene repo rate yi gonyini
And yi ri 5%.
and 5%.
Yeah, it's 5%.
It's very expensive man twisisa nyana but someone can just go to anywhere in the country and be honored. It's unfair man twisisa nyana
Ayavenda.
hi mhaka un'wana u tshame exikolweni hey hi dyondze 7 years diploma hey hi kaya hala na hala va mhana hina va kha sweka maguxe va xavisa lomu swikolweni na magwinya mara munhu hi loyi a fikaku a nyikiwa degree just for free
You know,
and then his case honored.
N'wana a mi lavi la.
a la ku edda swin'wana.
Okay,
Lava-
that's like exhibit A,
Okay.
taka point ya yona, then taka exhibit B, and then taka exhibit F, and then ta hetelela hi exhibit yeah, in this summer
Mataleliwa.
mo hi dyondzisa rixaka hi mhaka leyiwani
Yeah.
so that at the end of the day we don't have people who are going to drown and swim in the pool of confusion. One, the Higher Education Act in South Africa.
Yes.
Hi yona leyi conceive or all universities, whether public or private in South Africa, they are conceived in the womb of the Higher Education Act. So loko munhu lava ku operate as a university, whether private or otherwise, if an I meet the requirement leti nga ta va ti setiwe the Higher Education Act. That is why loko vana va ta a Joni hi January va lava ku register, we will say this is a bogus institution, this is a registered institution. So loko o register na bogus institution, loko wana degree ya wena I recognize because I meet the standard leti ti nga setiwa laya.
Yes.
So I sunguleni ka basic.
Yeah.
Mara loko u ya ka university leyi nga registered na the Department of Higher Education and Training, loko so graduate degree ya wena hi ta yi kuma everywhere. But I zoom in la. Loko mi ya ka Council of Higher Education, yi ta fika yi mi byela hi the bogus institution. That is the first thing loko mi follow that particular guideline. We are not speaking about Pan-Africanist, somebody is an organic intellectual. Even a problem South Africa, hey, Jacob Zuma is an organic intellectual. Utari Hill is not certified. You know, Marawas Kota client whatsoever, Marangana degree. That nonsense, you eroded the whole thing, Yakuba existence of higher education. So one, kuna les hospital na the bogus institution, bangan bat won into bago Bushiruna University.
Yes.
Aner lay ainga registered na the Department of Higher Education and Training. So a bogus institution.
Kumbe fly by night.
Fly by night.
Fly by night.
Yeah.
So a fly by night is an institution that offers qualifications that have not been accredited by a designated authority in the country in which it is operating. So that is one. We are speaking about higher education. Relax. Hold your adrenaline.
Exhibit B,
Exhibit B. Yeah,
Yi jaying off. So ayeni aka mhaka leyi nga ku hi debatiseni yaka an honorary professorship.
Yes.
Under the current legislation in South Africa, eka nawu lowu nga kona aka tiko ra hina ra Afrika-Dzonga, only universities can confer honorary professorship.
Good.
Iti university ntsena leti ti nga tlhoma ku munhu receiver
Ravo professor.
va a vitaniwa vu professor. So sweswo swi vula ku ri munhu un'wana na un'wana loko a fane a tlhomiwa receiver ra an academic title i fane a ri kuma aka university leyi yi nga registered under the Department of Higher Education hi ku ya hi nawu wa Higher Education Act. So loko ku ri ku na fly by night university or college a Giyani leyi nga tshama yi tlhoma risiva ka Dr.
Majuli, yes.
Sweswo i rubbish.
Pena Majuli dokodela.
Matisanyana ne. So kereke is not a higher education institution.
It's not.
Kereke ya hava matimba ya ku nyika munhu or ku tlhoma munhu risiva hi n'wi vitana professor. So loko mi ya laya loko hi yanikisana nini loko munhu a fane a tlhoma risiva ra vu professorship i fane a kha a fita or ku fikelela swilaveko swa vu professor.
So
Money hetelela. Universities different mara yi tirhi. These academic titles loko ti fane ti nyikiwa munhu yaleyo i fane a meeta the standard rank of an ordinary professor. So for you to become a professor i fane i va publishing.
Yes.
I fane i va i produce the graduates.
Yes.
To karhi.
Yes.
So university nge pfuki in the morning yi fika yi ku we want to honor this particular person. A nge tshama a meeta the requirement ta ku va an ordinary professor. And xin'wana lexi vanhu va xi tivaka la ku hi nyika ti practical public a yi koloti munhu ku ngi va yi n'wi vitana a doctor or a professor loko ku ri that title is an honorary.
Information
Loko
leyi
u
na ku
huma university leyi nga ku honora hina hi vona Xinyori a hi voni dokodela.
Yes.
yeah.
Hina hi vona Rebecca hi voni dokodela.
Yes.
Lava va ku kolotaka ku vitana that particular title ya honorary ya ku hlonipha hi lava va nga ku nyika yona hayi hina Xitsonga.
And they can call you a doctor only if you are attending their events.
Exactly. So mo hi tola vala ku tana Pan Africanism hina a hi hlaya nawu ku it's only accredited higher education institution that can honor a person with an academic title.
Exhibit A la ku loko se mic ya kun'wana
Yes.
hi va hi ri na xitsundzuxo na nhlamulo ka n'wina hi ku ya hi mhaka leyiwani.
Yes.
So ntim khama ku munhu loko a ri professor fane a va a ri na the graduates under yena and everything like that.
Yes.
Maybe hlavusikiza I graduate ya president then ba honorary
Kambe kuna hlavusikiza na man.
ya president
Kambe kuna hlavusikiza na
kuna
man.
hlavusikiza kambe kuna man ana hari xo mara kuna ani hlawu hi ngi tiva kuna kazi maybe must okay so muna okay miri yini kahle hi
Okay, professor is kota ku photosela organ.
ai swa tsanda mata la ku botsa n'wina miyima kwi miri yini hi mhaka leyiwani ya ku president va honor as professor like n'wi miri yini because mi hlayi sweswi mi nga swi hlaya mara miri what's your miri yini
In the first place, president ava fane va nga swi pfumelangi leswaku because va nghenini a ri hi nyangwa va xikolo xe le henhla.
yeah
Or
UJ ne
university, not only an university.
UJ ne
University ya le Johannesburg.
yeah
Va na degree va na honors. So va swi tiva ku suka laha u ya kwihi. And va swi tiva ku ri ti honorary titles ti fane ti huma kwihi aka ti university, not just any other organ. Because tomorrow eXhangani gang hi nga pfuka hi ku hi nga nyika exhibit 19 a title
Na mini le ka music kumbe mi hamba mini vitana Dr. Diroka.
mastisanyana ne ku na vanhu vo fana na va Tupac ne va ze va lova va endle a whole lot of things not today vo fana na Tupac music wa yena it was a prophecy. He speaks about saying kuri you've got money for wars.
True.
But mi hava mali ya ku pfuna timhaka ta ku aka swibedhlele ku tshungula mavabyi and all those things. And that is impactful. But a lovile a fana honor hamba lovile and all those issues. Hina vanhu vo fana na Dr. Dre aka music. So loko u ya ka vanhu lava nga produce Dr. Dre na contribution la nga yi endla aka music. You've got your Tupac, you've got your Snoopy Dogg, Eminem. He has contributed a lot. You've got your Jay-Z's and all those things. Mara va khome ti title ta vona. Ba swi tiva ku u nge pfuki ya kerekeni mnduku wa ku dokodela.
exhibit
Okay.
like ile ngopfu segment lewani
Sorry.
yaka exhibit DJ DJ DJ.
ma kombetangile va le America loko mi sa Tupac se mi hala ka dokodela a ni ku kumexa mi ta ku Dr. Malinga or
Or Doctor's Tall. Kombo ku add swin'wanyana quickly
Aye.
just to add.
Okay.
Leswi va nga exhibit A yi nga swi vula ne.
Yeah.
Ku ri you are not forced or the public is not forced to call you a doctor. I'll just give you an example ne. Kuna vanhu lava nga honoriwa the artist tale America, not Majul. The artist tale America. I can give you 2 or 3. Ne? Kuna Beyonce, kuna Celine Dion, kuna Taylor Swift. Those people were honor wheel, ne? But
Beyonce in
Dogodela.
Dr. Beyonce.
Yes.
I like Dr. Beyonce.
Dogodela. But
As a boy. As a boy.
Lexi nga xi realize la South Africa immediately va ku honora la ku ve u tivitana dokodela we one to six man to six
Exhibit B.
ya wa bona loko u yingisela vanhu va kha va vulavula u fanele u kota ku twisisa xilo xin'we xa ku vanhu lava va vulavulaku dyondzo leyi va nga yi dyondza i dyondzo leyi nga cinca miehleketo ya vona kumbexani vona loko va dyondza va lava ku va cinciwa hi dyondzo kumbe va lava ku cinca the narratives. Lexi humelelaka hi lexi ku na ti-definitions to tala leti hi nga na tona na mina ni tata na definition ya mina ku fana na exhibit F a nga ta na definition ya yena ku hi ta kota ku hi fikelela ko karhi la very an honorary title position or a degree awarded to an individual to recognize significant achievements, service, or distinction without requiring standard qualifications, academic study, or payment. Relax. Nkarhi wa wena u kumini na mina ni tshiki ni vulavula hi ku sweswi wa mina. These roles, such as an honorary degrees or president member, are usually unpaid and ceremonial, aiming to honor the recipient rather than impose formal duties. Loko hi vulavula hi formal duties hi leswi a nga vula loyi a vulavula timhaka ta ku ri munhu u fanele a va a tsali tibuku to karhi na swin'wana na swin'wana. Swilo leswi swi va swi ri informal and xikopo lexi hi nyikaka mavonelo ka xona hinkwenu ka hina la it's a colonial scope and the colonial scope hi xona xi hi dlayaka la. Sweswi ku na vanhu vo fana na vo Dr. Joe. A ku na vanhu lava pfumelelaka ku Dr. Joe ku fanele ku va ku ri dokodela because vudokodela bya yena a hi byona lebyi va nga dyondzisiwa ku ri loko u ri dokodela i timhaka ta ku u fanele u tiva ngopfu metse u swi endlisa ku yini swin'wana na swin'wana. Se kahle dyondzo hi yoxe ne hi yona yi nga na problem leyi hi fikisaka ku hi za hi kwesena timhaka ta ku dokodela Professor Mayengani u fanele a honoriwa. Professor Mayengani mina ni twisisa ku ri u fanele a honoriwa hi timhaka ta ku ri ka tinqambi ta Xitsonga hambi ha swi lava kumbe a hi swi lavi miza leyi u tisi ku cinca aka music wa Xitsonga ende munhu un'wana na un'wana ku na vanhu vo tala ngopfu lava va n'wi tivaka ene swilo leswi a nga swi endla swa fanela ku a nga vekeliwa vuprofessor hi ku loko a teka xitandati xa music wa Xitsonga u xi yise kun'wana. Se mara hi timhaka ta ku ri hi dyondzo yo karhi leyi yi hi byelaka leswaku swilo swo karhi swi nge koti ku endleka ne ha pfumela hina ku ri a swi nge koti ku endleka. Loko va vulavula hi timhaka ta ku ri loko u dyondza out of the box u huma boxini
va tsala principal ani vona
ku ri loko u huma boxini u fanele u kota ku endla swilo leswi vanhu va nga hleketi ku swi endliwa. Kereke liya ku va yi nyiketi miza luya vuprofessor mina vona i nga ri a hi xihoxo hi ku hinkwaswo swilo leswi taku laha swi ta swi huma from the colonial from coloniality swilo leswi swa tidyondzo na swin'wana na swin'wana. Se ha pfumela hina hinkwenu la ku ri a hi lavi ku cinca dyondzo hi lava ku cinciwa hi dyondzo hi xona xiphiqo kwalaho.
Okay, ungeza u teke mashavu
DJ Tavera number
3
yi le ku teni ka exhibit E ne DJ na DJ choir kwalano
ruza u xivangisi.
So principal ne or exhibit B yi teke a va swi ku principal ole kwihi principal wele
Ximbupfe.
Jim Galalume mo vakacha
Ele Ximbupfe.
imana nga ta fika Jim
Ele
Galalume
Ximbupfe.
Ele matotoka.
so principal ne exhibit B yi
Ah, mara khoza.
principal wele kwi
Ami kami lwise so nte concept.
okay exhibit B ne yi dline kun'wanyana yi nga fiki kun'wanyana explanation leyi nga yi teka ya ordinary ne
Honorarium.
yeah yona yaleyo kuna la ingo key aspects of honorary positions and degrees you go honorary degree a university degree honorary position a position they want a role such as honorary president secretary treasurer and so forth ne and then you go honorary member is someone who granted membership so the membership leti ti nga kona la leti n'wanyana leti hi vulavulaka hi tona leyi hi vulavulaka hi sweswi honorary degree yi wela hansi ka tiyunivhesiti a yi weli hansi ka tikereke
I think exhibit I hlamusela ku hina hi fanele hi cinca education yi nga yi cinci ntsena
So
I think mi hlamuserise sweswo ne na mtwisi
Exhibit lewa yi hlayiseka yi yima hi.
Before exhibit ya mahlweni komba ku
mara xin'wana lexi lavaka xin'wana lexi lavaka ku xi vula based on that khale ka hi vulavula na ve le hansi mina ni vulavula na ve le hansi tot swi vula ku mfana mi ni onara ku xi vulavula
ni komba ku sa exhibit mali
Mara
lay exhibit C so exhibit C leswi mi anero mi yima na
Exhibit B.
statement xa exhibit B ne
Yeah.
okay
Pfumela.
amuxipfumela
na xo xi le ku vulavuleni ka
so what you are saying ne what you are saying maybe na question leyi nga ya ka exhibit B you are saying nawu lowu nga vekiwa hi council hi fanele hi wu toyitoyela ku wu cinca
Okay.
or hi fanele hi wu cinca
Okay. Se le ka exhibit E ya le.
Exhibit E.
mina ni hlamula
Yeah. Na swi twa ku hayi swi ku nandziheni.
Hey.
Ene vanhu va na tinhlamulo na ti-views to hambanahambana. Mavonelo ya mehe lama ka leswi hi vulavulaka hi swona. Ni swi twini va khota council on higher education leyi fambisanaka kahle na SAQA, South African Qualification Authority, which is all hinkwaswo leswiwa swi governiwa hi Act, Higher Education Act ne ya tiko leyi ku nga yona yi nyikaku a professional guidance towards the qualification from NQF ani loko munhu a dyondza xikola a fika ka standard 10 matric
Yeah.
ku va na NQF level 3
Yeah.
so NQF level 4 vocation, 5 in national higher certificate, 6 diploma, 7 degree.
Yeah.
So it would be nice loko lava va honora ku van'wana kumbe va confera ku ti qualifications letiwani ta ku fana na ku mi ku i doctorate ya ku la ya phela ku na mhaka Beni Mahengani ku i professor ya music kumbe i professor ya entertainment or i professor ya yini and swi huma ka mani. We have established 3 things so far. One, that kuna kereke leyi nga n'wi nyika yi nga n'wi confera hi that particular status of a professor.
Yeah.
professorship
Mani wo va ignorant a ku na professor Hlati lava nga ha ku lovaka ma swi twa ni
professor or doctor
va sungula va ri
va heli va professor okay
va sungula va ri doctor kumbe hi mhaka ku na lavan'wana va nga thwasa va kota ku hlahluva va tlhela va femba ku ringana vo i va doctor kumbe xitatus lexiya xa le henhlanyana ka doctor ku va professor a xi va hambanyisa kumbe xi va kurisa ku va nga ha tsongahali ku ringana na lavan'wanyana
Va nga ma ti-doctor.
so na sweswi swa endleka i president Mahengani va twa hi nga ku na va general Muska i doctor ku na Sandlane i doctor
Yeah.
va Thomas Chauke i
Chauke i
doctor
doctor. Va Rebecca.
vona order ya vona ya leswi va cambisaka swona va twa swi ri henhlanyana ka leswiya ma swi vona ni
So doctors
because me ma twisela ma mina I do not think ku kereke liya yi nga lo vulavula na vona hi siku rin'we me twa nga ku president Mahengani va vulavule na vona va twa nga ku loko ri mi nyika doctorate swa ndza mi tshika mo professor hi ku ri nga ta swinene lomu ku doctor swi vula ku swi fani mi fanisa na genge leyi n'wanyani loyi a ni yi ri va dyoha la ku va yimbelela ene yo voice yo hlantswekile which I think is true. So now I languteni mhaka ya milawu ya tiko hi nga endli swilo leswi nga outside the confines and precinct of the laws of the country. Exhibit A na exhibit B C F va ntsakise hi ku a va kha va quote ku va munhu va ku i professor leswi na mina ni tivaka swona i ku va a va a ri attached aka a certain school or a faculty ya university masivona loko munhu a na diploma or degree ni ta nyika example ya yini ya social work a nga dyondza a za va na M social work na D social work a va doctor kahle academical masivona mara a swi vuli ku van'wana va nge he vi va doctor va hikuva va honoriwa hi university to for example ku na ti-artist to tala va Dr. Yu Masikela vo Dr. Pitso Musimani ka sports na swin'wana na swin'wanyana hi ku ti-university letiya ti kona ka chair ka council on higher education a ku ti-question loko va honoriwa ku ta ku njhani mara leswiya swa ku se mi kuma ku swi na vufula by night swi le xitarateni a swi twisiseki na munhu la nyikaka ku yini na yini because le a university loko va ku nyika doctorate va professor va na va ri va professor ma twisisa ne loko ma a UJ for example or a TEFLOP ku na va professor na va doctor na ti lecturer se loko va ku munhu loyi se n'wi nyika doctorate va na va hlayini ku milawu ya pfumela na contribution ya munhu loyi ya pfumela na se leswi swa ku n'wana na n'wana se masiku lama ta pfuka ri professor ri doctor na mina ni ta kombela mi nga ni address kumbe master ni ta kombela mi a ni swa n'wana na n'wana
Exhibit F. Exhibit F. Ni kombela min pulela phone min searchela something ne. Ni le ku languseni ka certificate ya professor Baloyi Beni Mayengani la ne. Ina FI 1. Ina FI 1.
Shlaku awatsalang sona na
So
bona le.
ni kombela min searchela this thing African Union Churches Parliament.
All right.
Ile ku hiseni kule ku hiseni le ndaba
Awula ku mina na
and guys ile vunangeni vanhu va nga confuseki ne i part ya vunanga
Ni komba ku vula swin'wana. Ni komba ku vula swin'wana.
Sweswi nga vulavula exhibit E ne. Hi la yi te yona yi la ku honori yona. Mi la ku honoreliwa yini?
ani swi khapekile no vula ni ku sarisa sweswi ni va master vanhu va kha va ri va doctor na va prof va na ha ri relevant loko ni ri master na mina ni la ku va prof
Honorable for relevant.
Exhibit F in searcheleni.
Very good. Kuna ikomela host vulavula.
and phela hi scripture isile yini
Dakarwayi. Exhibit F nikombe min searchela ku this union is it accredited now?
Okay, yale already na yona they are not.
Mina yona ne?
They are not.
Okay.
You want other based on that, ne? Kuna so ni only prompt la from Grok, ne?
Yeah.
To understand that why va honoring
Yes.
as a church, and then they don't have any authority to do so. So but and this kuna kambari ndo kustekwe a certain article.
Yes.
Kambar in baswitana and reference.
Yeah.
So and an honorary doctorate is also called Doctor Honoris Causa, meaning for the sake of honor. Ne? It's not an academic qualification
Yes.
at all.
Yes.
Right? It is a symbolic award or gesture of recognition given by an institution to honor a person's exceptional contribution to society,
Yes.
culture,
Okay.
Yes.
arts, science, leadership, or any specific field without the recipient having to complete any coursework,
Yes.
research,
Yes.
thesis, exam or academic qualification. And this is taken from Councillor for Higher Education.ac.za.
So na question ya one. Na question ya one. Ka leswi nga swi kuma kwalano ne. I wanted you to prompt go. So are we saying this person must be now called professor or not? Because this is a decision that was taken by an organization to recognize this person.
Not an institution.
An organization.
Organization.
Yeah.
So Lair institution.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it means you man is ala that is sakangwe na yali itabuya. You should
Clockwise, ne?
Exhibit A. After Exhibit A, we got Exhibit
B. Yeah,
Under a minute.
Hey, yeah, Exhibit B, a minute.
We are taking it in the continent, Africa. Uganda.
Yes.
The National Council for Higher Education, laying equivalent na Council for Higher Education.
Yeah.
Ne? Mandates that honorary degrees are strictly ceremonial. Ne? And should not be used as academic or professional titles.
Yeah.
Meaning hoku honora.
Yeah.
Loko uma vitra wena mani beni maengani. Ne?
Yeah.
That's one. So leswi mfanele ku mi tiva xin'wanyana ku na ti categories ta ti professorship a Afrika-Dzonga.
Yeah.
Ku na ti extraordinary professors, ku na ti distinguished professors, ku na ti emeritus professors. So shana yena I professor muni. Ne? That's one. I wela ka ti professor muni. Mara lexi fanele ku xi tekela nhlokweni, whether you want to come with a pan-Africanist informed ideology or whatsoever, you must understand ku ri Afrika-Dzonga or worldwide hina legislation. So before me counter, malema wa ku kumiwa nandu a PE. Vanhu va kwata this is a Western ideology whatsoever. Mara now a South Africa ku nga constitution ya South Africa. So anything lexi humelelaka hi fanele va kha hi hlonipha ku ri higher education act
Na wa cancel
dyondzo na ku imana fanele ku nyikiwa degree hi mani. So beni ali contribution ya yena yi le henhla, mara I fanele a award degree hi yini hi university leyi nga accredited.
Even if an actor first.
So nendli prompting one foot, ne? Does African Union Churches Parliament have the authority to give an honorary to an individual?
The
exact answer was no.
Yeah, you are done. You are done. You are done. You are
They
done.
have no official
You are done.
authority to award
Lo me explain pela so yena wana xirtani
academic titles, of which it goes back to saying it's in a way of gesture.
Okay, no,
It's not an academic one.
so majuli ka mention shona ro yini
doctorate.
So majuli xinga la xiri ehla ka prof ka prof Mayengani ani go le institution institution le pa organization so doctor majuli le ehla ka
Se ta drawa hierarchy sweswi ve
Yes.
ta va vekela swilo swi va nga
ni
va
kombela hi enda hi sina nkoka
Title swi ya ku nyiku yini.
exactly
No, rito organization na institution ko va xilungu leswi kumbe xana hi nga va ku kha hi nga xi twisisi. An organization ku nga va institution, and institution ku nga va an organization. Mara a hi hundzeni kwalaha. Hinkwenu hi le ku pfumelelaneni laha ku ri leswi swi nga endleliwa Professor Mayengani I mhaka leyi nga fanela. Ko va timhaka ta ku ri award liya a nga nyikiwa yona. It's not an academic. Na yena nga tshama a vula ku it's an academic kind of a professorship.
Yeah.
I professorship ya honorary professor. So se leswi humelelaku la va tlhela va hlamusela kahle va ku aiming to honor the recipient rather than impose formal duties. Formal duties, aku ta va ku ri timhaka ta ku ri loko ku ri leswi a honoriwa ka swona a nga swi tirhisa ka ti-institutions ta higher learning ku nga va ku ri ti-university and all that. Se lexi humelelaka i ku Benny Mayengani u honoriwile and a swi wrong because this thing a swi vuli ku ri swi hi leswi hi swona leswi.
No, why verify? I mean, it's exhibit B. And la kutsema, la kuitsema. Le one say la kuitsema. Eh, kombe la kuikata. Exhibit A, ngumo etelela.
Under Council for Higher Education. Protective.
Yeah, exhibit A.
Protective.
Yeah, you are protected.
Loko mema Higher Education Act.
Yeah.
Yita balabla hi Council for Higher Education. So this one ni hlaya aka 6.1 aka Council of Higher Education.
Yeah.
Laying got the right to award honorary degrees and professorship. Because like different corner na exhibit ZZ. Authority, a man afanele ku athoma rin'wana receiver.
Yes.
So luya banga ku defending aka yena I thomo receiver a organization leyi nga fanelangiki or leyi pfumalaka matimba ya ku thova risima. Mo hi hlaya hi kota ku dyondzisa na lava va omaka tinhloko. In South Africa. We are factual. In South Africa, in South Africa, in South Africa, the right to award honorary degrees is enshrined in legislation. Section 65C of the Higher Education Act number 101 of 1997, as amended, empowers public higher education institutions to confer honorary degrees. Only universities may confer honorary degrees under Section 65C. I correct. I Shangani gang. I Stokofela. I political party. I Bomasel. I Gangu. I Black Tax. I Van Bombalas Dog. I Dakwa.
Yeah.
Only a public higher education, not a private. A public higher education institution.
Exhibit B by far. Exhibit B by far.
Okay, kuvulavula leswi mi nga swi vulavula ne. Mi vulavule hi section C65C Higher Education Act, of which another hlaya mara ans ka swona swi leswi. You know, a common issue in South Africa. So here the common issue here, there has been a growing concern, including
exhibit A.
So that concern.
You problem ngana yo last queen.
Yeah, it even says here, education bodies like South African Associate of PhDs about churches and accredited Bible colleges issuing bogus or honorary style titles. Exactly. So itanyika exhibit E.
Exhibit B by far.
B.
Yeah, by far.
Yeah, mina lexi a ni vula xona a ni nga ku hi halwa la. Xikulukumba I ku dyondzo leyi munhu un'wana na un'wana loyi a nga commenta la I dyondzo leyi a nga nyikiwa yona ku yi fanele yi n'wi cinca hayi ku a kota ku cinca xiyimo lexi nga kona eka nkarhi wa sweswi.
Yeah.
Se lexi humelelaku I mhaka ya ku a ku na munhu loyi a ngete honorary degree liya yi nga nyikiwa Mayengani professorship yi va yi ri academic. Yi va yi nga ri academic. Va vulini nakambe laya va vula ku ri just an honor u swi vuli hi xi Latin laya a ku honoris causa. Question
Abapal, principal abapal. You are protected.
Protect that exhibit EVUNANGENI, ne? Ingabe emotion ay teken ti emotion itilomba manye kosi.
Exhibit.
Ingalwi wathi baku loko dyondzo yo za ku dyondzisa ku lexi wena u nga xi vula u twa i xi ri right onge xi nge koti ku cinceka ne swi tivi ku dyondzo yaleyo i dyondzo leyi nga ku colonize miehleketo because miehleketo ya wena a ya ha koti ku cinceka se hi fanele hi cinca leswi hi swi vonaka ku onge a swi tirhi ka community ya hina laya loko va kha va vulini ku ri munhu u fanele a endli swilo swo hlawuleka and Mayengani u endli swo hlawuleka honorary degree liya a yi vuli ku u fanele a ya dyondzisa university a kerekeni loko a ya kona u ta va professor se va heta kwalaho.
Okay,
no pala.
Hayi khala kampani.
Man, I pala ne. Principal. Ayiri professorship leyi nga nyikiwa President Mayengani you're wrong. Manito. Tana. Loko tana. Exhibit A. Tana ne. President Mayengani munhu la nga xikolweni. And I think yindle the same thing leswi swi endlaka ka music. Yindle timhaka ta culture. I think it's something along the Magata culture. And sure, Mara, no hleketelela. I stand here to be connected. To be corrected.
Yeah.
Yes, Colin. Yini ashkolweni. Lesula ku loko university ya Joni ayo vona sirna ku varini. Sirfanerini. Tanan. Loko university ya Joni ayo vona sirfanerini ku President Mayengani va nyikiwa professor. A swi nga ta va swi nga ri wrong man twisisa but sweswi hi na problem yo o university n'wanyana mara sweswi hi na problem yo va nyikiwe professorship va nga tlhe va byi amukela vona ku nga munhu loyi a nga academically aware hi kereke leswi ku nga ri ku swa a hi swona.
Are you judging his academical awareness?
We're not judging his academic awareness. Okay. We are judging. Okay, I pare. Say I pala sis. I pare.
Yeah, I pare. Okay, kissing up.
Exhibit my host.
Kissing up.
Exhibit. Nikombe ku ipfala ndlela leyi ne.
I pala.
It's a conclusive. Yale is very controversial. It does paka jota.
Okay. Guys, like let EVUNANGENI.
Nikombe mingisala leswi.
57 minutes.
Guys.
No, we are done.
Exhibits.
Emashab. You're spending our time.
Kuna problem nga ivutisa la ne. Ku ri act leyi nga endliwa hi kereke liya. Yi vitaniwa yini? Wa ku no. Bagu, the African Union Churches Parliament is not a registered or accredited higher education provider with SAQA, right? South African Qualifications Authority. Or the Department of Higher Education. They can give internal church award, certificate of appreciation, or listen, let's guys, they can ordain pastorship, not pastorship. Yingisan, guys. Exhibit.
Okay, let's one.
They can, guys, listen.
Exhibit.
They can also provide spiritual recognition, but
that professorship is out.
But this
Mayengani is a spiritual professor. Done. We are done.
But this have no academic or professional standing.
Guys.
Right? It doesn't have any professional standing, right?
But it's
Meaning
titling the church that is called.
Okay, guys. It's fine. In conclusion, Mayengani is a spiritual professor. When you get again, it's spiritual. So
In the Bible, no. Host, let's clarify this thing. In
la ku
the Bible, we don't have a
Aye,
title of a
Omikhan.
professor.
ayikona
We have
vele
a pastor.
yeah
So kereke can only ordain a person as a pastor.
aningo
They can't give an academic title.
okay mata wani vuli tsone masa wa ma mahlweni ku emetini mata wani vuli tsone i mhaka ku beter kereke ne yi nga nyika ti vari yini swilo swa ximoya yeah so mani umshana ai ngo professor ya ximoya professor ya ximoya okay ya mahlweni okay nikombela leswaku min kombela leswi swi landzelaka ne ka ti comments
hayi tshamani le
ya famba tshama le mahlo okay tsamani kwala wa ri nke okay guys nguna ngata mi ri ku hi watcheni hi kombela ku ri mi sa comments or what do you think of leswi nga endleka ma xa vona khosa man disturb na man disturb ka tsakisa la ka kona ku le ku tsakiseni
a hi fane hi khomi episode ya namuntlha hi yo ntsena
n'we mi tshami kahle ngopfu mani tshamangi kahle
why
ni le ku voneni ka swo karhi halawa okay hi leswiwani ka ti-comments hi byeleni ku ri how do you feel about honorary ya president professor Beni Mayengani ma vo hi ndlela yaleyo so scripture a xi leyi ngopfu ne a xi leyini DJ mara mhaka leyi yi dyele nkarhi swi komba ku ri i mhaka yo hisa swinene so a yi mahlweni ka ti-comments lava hi ta va kuma episode ya vona lava va hi pfune DJ no yi tekeli mi yisa mahlweni ku se hi ya kwihi ya ne kumbe yi ca switulu la mi jika mi languta ku DJ ile vunange okay ile vunange a avanyisi a hi zondi wa tlhela music wa vunanga bya Xitsonga swi nga khataleki ku ri i xigaza i hip hop kumbe i reggae kumbe gospel ma na ti khona ku cina hlela hi mhaka loko ti khumba vanhu lava va nga le ka music a hi mahlweni
va yisa lava va ri lani
ma hi hlakahle mihleketo
ma hlakahle mihleketo but anyway ne a hi mahlweni mfone mavo hi swo a hi nga lavi swo sweswo
hi ku mfamba
swo byela ku hava but anyway ta ku hava
mhaka jo gege chapu ayeri guys no I be
hey M4
ni pfunosi
ana azangi nikuvutisa ku mhaka ya weyo khomiwa ya mhaka ku yiva xisibi xa le ka Shoprite xo hlantswa timovha ku humeleli
ku va leti
na munhu leti ku fika ni twa ku va ku khomile
twanani swa kona nga khomiwanga me
okay let's talk about this guy ne impact ya yena ka music wa Xitsonga
yeah
or ka artist ta Matsonga sign free mina hi ku ya hi mina ni nga ku i Dr. Dre wa Xitsonga
yeah
because of the impact le anga va na yona ne
yeah
the minute he moved from trap ata ka Xitsonga check how many people lava nga va under yena or lava anga va feature or lava va nga ta under ka yena
Yeah.
or under his wing
yeah
va nga fika va tiveka ka music I can name few
yeah batela nga vana himaka
va tele nga va name there's Gondi Boy he was one of his in left hand or right wing
whatever
what the crazy what decide
Wayne Ntengo
bo
batele man
nga ku na Miss Hilary yes
nangoma la ngisela yona ya chikasa manje principal mafamba or mo come back
vulavulelani le
okay so because mamda vot camera ka tavela timini okay
yeah
I'm free
so mina I can say I think ka Matsonga ne we are not celebrating the guy enough
yeah
we are really not celebrating him enough ne I don't want to compare him with anyone because every person is unique. Ka swilo leswi a swi endlaka, one twisisa. Ni nge n'wi compare va ku ni ku yena a nga sungula yini yena a nga sungula yini. But let's check.
Man slash
Yes.
DJ
Yeah.
tena
I
bambeteli ne unfiltered mi nga vuli leswo nge n'wi compare na leswi vo swinini yini leswi mi swi vulaka so guess compare no swinini
a ni ku na leswiya swa ku hi n'wi compare maybe hi n'wi compare na artist yo karhi or hi n'wi compare.
today na today
Yeah, let's not talk about today na today.
min ba hlahlani siya pfundla
Hey, let's not talk about today.
no mara mi vula swo fana sweswo
Swo fana na leswi ya ku ri
some of the words said in there
yeah, some of the words ku ri mina ni nga sungula rap xigazeni and all that. Let's not talk about that. I'm talking about the impact le a nga yi endla. Let's look at him hi ndlela ya impact le a nga yi endla ka music wa Xitsonga, ne? As I was saying, we are not celebrating the guy enough. One twisisa. Anta as Matsonga hi nga endli leswa swa ku hi celebrate munhu loko sa hundzi misaveni. One twisisa. I can't come and say yeah, Saimfree was doing this, Saimfree was doing that, Let's give him his flowers. The guy is doing a lot. Now Chaman
yeah.
The guy is doing a lot.
No, mateo loko sta ka Simeon Freedom ne hlungwane idiosa
Hey, I was vuli mavito.
Roma ko vetela Saimfree
Hey, I know.
Simeon Freedom so the man ne xikaza xi ri kona a ximbeleriwa
Yes.
ene a ku ri na vo DJ Ngundla ne va yimbelela simu ra ka Kobani nyana hina ha dyela ka Kobani kunyungundla and everything maloko swi ta ka xikaza Monday ngomela ni kume n'wansati eka xikaza
Yeah.
wa vona se ku ve ku va na that hype ya ku okay swilo swiso ne so mina what I got from impact ya Saimfree ne i ku demand loko a fika xikazeni nga ku lo pfula ndlela yo
Every
un'wana a nga endla swilo leswiwani ne and if langa ku ni happy mhaka va xikazeni because I feel like ku na vanhu vo tala ngo lava a va tumberini a hi nga swi tivi ku ri va nga hi nyika va nga hi tsakisa va yisela vanhu va hi tsakisa DJ
and a va ri kona ne? A va ri kona. They were doing music, but we didn't know.
But we didn't know ne so a hi nga swi tivi ku va ene DJ va yisela va hi tsakisa
Too much.
because Saimfree a xi ri na ngoma yin'wana ya mali ne
Yes.
Saimfree ya trap
Yes.
na Black Myth
Yes.
ne
Yes.
the very first song Black Myth did ya xikona na Saimfree
You know, wa swi tiva ku swi sweswo ne? I knew ku ri mali ku na Black Myth ne?
yeah
And a xi kona
Yeah.
ku na Black Myth. But a ni nga yi hleketangi the way u nga yi vurisa hi kona.
Yeah, no,
Loko is. They had their impact ka trap.
ka trap
When
and
they
then
come to Shigaza, still va fika va endla impact.
and think about it why would Black Myth aku okay man feature Saimfree ka this song masibona it maka kwa stiva ku ubona impact la nga end we can talk about a lot of people a lot of features Ruza when the album the beautiful album la nga end nga kuma
Yeah, last year. Yeah.
masita ku invite album lia Lemons to Lemonade ne Risonera Lemons to Lemonade na Saimfree
Na Saimfree, yeah.
na Saimfree tlhe xi nghena xi baswa ko
Yeah, ne?
even then Saimfree xi endla xi teka Wena Ntengo va endla ngoma ya uQueen ne
And even lava
kwala ka Xangani
ka Xangani gang va nga fika va ku
na
vona.
phinda futhi wena Wayne u tiri mina
Nge pfuki ni endli
ni nga
xigaza.
yimbelela hi xikaza mara ni nge pfuki ni endli xikaza swa endla swa va ca beat yi nga vi xikaza the next thing kasi uQueen lava ku n'wi khensa sweswiwani ne okay from there ne if Saimfree endla EP na Wena Ntengo you know what they did to that EP lo moyingisela kahle
I know,
Saimfree
I
sang
know.
all the choruses a zangi xi lava the verse xo but chorus 10
I know.
kuna wanjolela xi be wanjolelo xi huma ku va na ni kombela ku famba na n'wina xi huma ku va na la nga xongi rhangani
Mata ngoma ya le wa ku ta ku yivula. Yi ntsundzuxa sweswin'wana.
wa ni tshika nane xo ba chorus i ku va na mbilu ni nga na J John
Yeah.
ba chorus xi ba chorus ku va na verse verse ne xi bika vusiwana ntsena la nga na Miss of Feed
Yeah,
the opening song cause ina kasa trap nyana so that guy ne he's huge he's big So I'm free wherever you are. Ne? Take this from me, Kokwan. You've done a lot, Ashgazen, and I need Ashgazen. So look, I'm talking Laktika, Tanga mainly enough, Nantor. And please, you come in. Yana matle me you kawan bangwan work fana na about the crazy about this man got to decide to babit she might have sopa
she blind
she babit I ngata still so
so
it's the impact so I will go ngem na munhu ngwana ngata wana impact my like just one the guy like feels like he opened up like
he opened doors for the new
guys
yeah,
and it's brilliant mina I love it very much.
No, it's a good thing leswa angelo kusindleni. Though we don't have time. Inge vulavuli yena.
Bong ye vula tsena bang chia stage.
Yes.
Aka perform.
Want to see
but la ka makon.
I just wanted to say Matsonga magaina. Ungike swilo va swa ye hanya. Want to see. Yeah. Okay, going forward enough about time frame.
Enough about time free.
Enough about time
one
frame.
cause.
And I one cause, ne?
Yeah.
Mina I always say, okay, ne?
Kombe
kuyiveka so, ne?
Mona listen logo producer yana kosa ne. Ita final la ka Shangani gang. Ikale ile matako camera ngwe magale ile go yise what if camera ngwe timeki. Mbawo mo ya re khoete kosa. I love.
Lava evula hi this guy, ne? He calls himself the biggest boss in the game.
She go, I'm the biggest boss in the game. You know what it is, man.
She go, a friend without.
I go. Akuna kutimeka na kosi ngwe. Ngwe yile kuchina yile. Why mo hundurisha le?
A friend.
Oh, okay.
A friend without a Gucci is still a friend. A friend without a Raptor is still a friend.
A friend who drinks Vakubi is still a friend.
Gagash Maspala, ne?
Yeah.
I think when you got the flowers, ne? The reason I'm saying this, I can mention a lot of artists that are gas. Because of him. I'll just give you an example. He's the biggest artist, Xitsonga.
Yeah.
Or let me say, the Shakaleting one as biggest artist, ne? Bliss boy. One to say,
Shikazama 2K.
Shikazashama 2K.
Yeah, something like this. She loves it. I think.
Mara she randa kus end up Bliss boy.
Yeah.
Okay, Bliss boy. I knew Bliss boy because of Gagash.
Me too.
I don't wanna lie.
Okay, I knew Bliss boy because of Blanca, but he got exposed more musically because of Gagash.
Yes.
At 17. The best.
Exactly. Before I was 17, Gagash used to play his music at live ka Facebook. I can't remember she find talent, she blind until he booked him at 17.
And I remember what's my video. I go, watch out for this boy. This boy is coming in.
Exactly. That's when I knew.
And he did. Look where he is now.
That's when I knew Bliss boy me. So Ntsako, besides leswi n'wanyana vanhu va swi vulavulaka ku ri ve a nga hakeli ti artist. Mina I'm one of the artists leti ni nga tshama ni bukiwa hi Gagash. Yo a nga hakeli a ni swi tivi hi ku ya hi mina because mina whenever I get
loko mo khamu ku bera hakeli mo le mhaka mani le kai ya psychology.
Yes, na le ya psychology. The artist n'wanyana ta vula ku ve ri Gagash a nga hakeli or a nga humesi mali yo helela. Mara from my experience loko ni ya tlanga 17 mina mali leyi ni nga yi kuma 17 I mali leyi mina ni nga charge yona. One to six.
Yeah.
So I can't say ku lava n'wanyana va right.
Seramnganzi.
Sikulela nga kusiya. Yes. Na first time loko ntlanga 17 in 2023. That was my first time ntlanga 17. Ni nyikiwe mali leyi ni ngete ni lava yona.
Mashitama Jule.
Why?
Yeah.
So un'wana loyi fanele ku hi n'wi nyika swilo swa yena a hanya because he's doing a lot more special ka artist Matsonga. He promoted a lot.
Look, n'wina mi ve kahle ngopfu ne and no la ku tlhe ni ndlandlamuxa nyana ne. Gagash ne hi lembe hosta so many events a 17 ne and then nale handle
Nale handle, yes.
Gagash ne na birthday celebration dina why not
Why not?
iba remake dina why not iba ile ko September October le
Yes.
and if you can check his events ne phela Gagash wa tebeka like around Pretoria around Gauteng ne nele na malengo ba mangta Gagash because bangwana bang booking on book ataba MC so la gore you can invite you can make a gig ne ingaba about chicas mara umeka sure demand gore gig yakona ne ifane yibdominate hi xigazi ku fana swona loko mo cheka birthday yen ku tele artist ayini tamagazi na loko ku ta va na why not for sure ku ta with the very same
tala artist Tamatsonga.
Gagash swi kota ku ya mariveni xa hosta gig swi kota ku ya Gagash xa hosta gig
Nale ka Dzumeri.
nele ka Dzumeri xa hosta gig but this hi ndlela yaleyo so Gagash ne please man u tirhi ngopfu ka artist ta Xitsonga because I think na metro ne before metro xidum xi performe 17 tana xo fika
I
17
don't wanna lie to you. That's why nuku lo mention artist ya one.
tele.
Nabo kuna this girl sha DJ very Z the DJ. I'm not sure.
DJ Shaka Mageba,
You,
and he fought for that
He
girl
fought for that girl.
for that girl
Z the DJ was always on at the event ta
Gagash, yeah, yes.
Mo why not 99? Gianli ayikwayo.
and akuna eventing one abakha ba ngalawa kuzixhlanga nesitoko indeke cash tumeta kuxhlanga guys
forced.
he
forced
step in and then I go hey
Yeah.
utaxhlanga ngomani
So yeah, Matsonga.
is the biggest boss
Biggest boss in the
leswa
game.
swivulaka we appreciate you Gagash Xitsongani gang ne
Na ku munhu-
na Matsonga
Hey.
ma ku appreciate
Naku munhu angevi 100% perfect.
ta bachina china swaida so rumela
Angive 100%
everything else
perfect,
not
yeah.
posted on Facebook and also bakha ba holowa vana vanhu vo tala it's fine mara mtirho ya vulavula mtirho ya vulavula ndrawole je a yeni mahlweni ne kambe hi ri ku la Gagash
Eh,
okay hey ku busy a xigazeni DJ
Mara ani happy. Ani happy.
kuna vanhu vo tala nga va nga humesa tsingile ne
Ah.
nga twanyana mara we're just gonna mention a few if you don't mind just gonna mention a few if you don't mind Lekker she besingile na Jimen
Basing
i
you.
besingile How do you feel?
Nkombe comment.
yeah
Ani happy both singles.
yeah
But-
ya Jimen na
Na
Lekker,
Lekker. Yeah. Okay,
mula
let me,
ti cause Lekker mula yi ya Lekker
the latest one. Leya ku huma ku ri humeri.
ayeni mahlweni
Yes.
ayeni mahlweni
And na comment ani.
Yeah.
Nata ku nyika comment you will understand what I'm saying.
yeah
Ne?
yeah
Na the reviews in tivonini ka Facebook 999.
yeah
A lot of his followers are not happy, ne?
Yeah.
I'm also not happy. But you know one thing, ne? Okay, the song Viket Uitlangin, the beat is very cool.
Yeah.
But I feel like I compare mina ti ngoma ni loko ni compare na huma ka mina na le anga yi humesa sweswi
yeah
the people he featured there ka nkarhi wa sweswi a va fikangi va tinyiketela a va tinyiketelanga I don't wanna lie
yeah
ku lo tinyiketela producer i ri one mara lavan'wanyana
i tinyiketele okay in production wise or na
production wise
na verse oh
no
okay
production
ku
wise.
tinyiketele Viket hi my
Wicked.
god
Hi my god
okay yeah
ne but kuna but knowing Lekker ne
Knowing Lekker.
Lekker
Yeah.
the song might change
ita bana million
yes the song might change to be a hit
ita bana million
why ni vula leswi wa titsundzuka ri nghoma letiya dya ku
doranda ya course
dorando ya khosa letiya dya
kambe jeni ngoma doranda ngwe Lekker ama mentu sayo na
ya dya ku
wabiwa
wa biwa
yeah
ngoma leya siku ni nga ro sungula loko ni yi twa ni loko mara Lekker ro humesi yini laha mara
no
One twist. But then after some time the jika de va hit dingoma letiya so na leyi yi nga va hit
so mina DJ o malaka mahlweni
la ku ya ka G-Man
oh
or la ku commenta ka Lekker before ya ka G-Man
ano ingana ka Jimen ta tlhela ka ndana minda ndaba fight
G-Man ngoma u yi tsarile na yena I feel like or it's my expectations I don't know na yena I feel like he didn't give himself himself enough time ya ku lata twisisa ku ri ngoma liya ya fita ku anga yi humesa or not. Wa twisisa ku ni ri yini?
ku ri mina nga nyika nkarhi
A nga ti nyika
wu
nkarhi.
tisa ngoma liya ya fita ku humesiwa
or not. Wa twisisa?
that statement says a lot.
Serious. Because
ni heti na mati mhaka va yisa lava a ni tshama ni heta mati ka episode.
because mina you need to improve, ne?
Yeah.
As an artist. A wu fanelanga loko u ya kha u humesa swi nga fambi so swi swa wena. Loko u humesa wa drop, loko u humesa wa drop. Wa twisisa? Swi fanele swi famba
Ndlela
hi ndlela ya why. Wa twisisa? I feel like compared to the last project ya yena,
Yeah.
na the song leyi a hi ku yi humesa ku sweswi.
project ya
Project ya haba ku tlula the latest song. Wa twisisa? I don't know, the coming songs maybe they might come and change the current.
singile
Yes.
yi nga okay
What
so
is
mina munzi la hi Lekker ne ngoma liya ku ba video ku tlula ngoma
Video.
ku a ku ri na video a va ri a xavela ka big
studio.
show ne
A va ri
Hayi
studio.
studio ku na video a va ri big show ngoma before ba studio pe ngoma liya yi sungule ha nani a va ri ku na thaveni yin'wana Shishenge la ku Sunday Lekker
Oh yes, yes.
a ku ri na Gashmira a ku ri na Shamakhoma so Gashmira a xi ri khuzeleni like he always does ne ne Shamakhoma na xona xi nyikiwa mic xi ba
Vhese liya.
vhese leyo loko ku fika Lekker a Giyani va swi ta gigi Johnny vuye kaya Gashmira xi ba leyo a yeni mahlweni ne so loko se ni twa the whole song ne mina munhu loyi mbila ya mina yi vavaka ngopfu ka nga deliverang ne i Shamakhoma like Shamakhoma I feel like swi tsala nga ku demand a nga lavi no yimbelela kahle loko Shamakhoma lo ni n'wi tivaka ne vanhu va nga vula swo talatala hi van'wana vanhu ne mara n'wakhambani xo xi yimbelelini
U yimbelelini
Makhambani xo xi yimbelelini loko langta vanhu lava hinkwavo ne Makhambani xo xi nga yimbelela lavan'wana ni twa nga ri a va ri lazy ne Gashmira I can't say a lot
Because xitayele xa yena.
xitayele xa Dodi Beat and ngoma liya vanhu va rhandza phatela a yeni mahlweni
Na ti video ka TikTok ni vona va kha va endla that
Bakha
part.
mahlweni and then Magoda ne Magoda xi vi Magoda xi Magoda xi twa ku ngoma yi ri yini ne even then xi tsala ku ngoma
Ku ya hi ngoma.
ya so ngoma la xi swi ku ve ri a yeni mahlweni and xi twa ngoma la va timhaka ta ku kambe va vula timhaka ta yini ta ku ta ha ku nyanganyisa ne i xi vula xi ku loko na Lekker ra gigini so ba ku nyanganya loko na Magoda gigini so ba ku nyanganya so for Wicked I'm not complaining so loko sta ka G-Man ne ni feel like singing liya G-Man was not trying to keep up with his music ne ni feel like that single ne a ku ri timhaka to cancer leswi music ma nga endlela swona
For last year.
yeah since a sungurile cause loko mo those lyrics ne va timhaka ta ku xikwembu xa xitirhela xi nyiki hosi mbilu leswi ku vala lava kwata va xi vona ndzilo va nga fana diamond a va nga tshembi ku ni nga cinca kaya mhaka ku ri vatswari va kota ku maka yindlu ku ni nga vi hana movha I feel like the guy is just giving thanks hi leswi music ngo n'wi endlela swona because so vona change nyana because of music so risimu rona ne ni to ra yingiseleka
Ya wa vona loko u yi veka hi ndlela yaleyo ne ya ku you know it comes back to the statement lexi ni nga xi vula xa ku a nga ti nyika nkarhi wo yingisela ku ya fita
humeseka na.
ku or njhani. So yes I agree a nga ti nyika nkarhi wa ku yingisela ku ya huma or njhani because he was releasing the song alava ku cancer. One twisisa.
Yeah.
So it didn't want him to have a listening session or akova ngoma yo fane yi huma kahle kahle.
Yeah, because I don't think, maybe not well informed, I don't think we're not clip of that song.
I didn't see one.
And he following, ne? I don't think we're not clip of that song, but yeah, that's my take. DJ, hey, phela bayisela baba jilkari maga professor ne.
Jilkari,
Ya mahlweni ne so le wana ita comments na le. Kuna Xongi. Xitori xi le kwele nga sasa.
Hey.
Nga sasa. So anesti mthambi ngise ngoma le.
Ya ni yingiseli.
Man ni singise. Not la ka kuntwa kwa baza.
I think one thing that made me to listen to the song, I think you remember Ntsalini Grupi. Kuria ngoma yo. Yeah. I think this song is coming yilekuteni matimba ne kufana na munhu wa munhu leswi nga tisa
Munhu wa munhu, yeah.
one pieces ni nga yi veka njhani loko we wo fika u yi yingisela yi nga vangi na impact ya social media u nga fika u ku a hi hit
Yeah.
one pieces u nga fika u ku a hi hit
Yeah.
but with the impact leyi nga na yona phela hit sometimes ne ni nga ku kuna different types of hits,
yeah.
one pieces kuna hit liya ya ku loko no fika ni ku tlangela yo sweswi
What you feel?
feel like yo
Yeah.
ingoma ya mani leyi one pieces but kuna hit liya ya ku
Vanhu va relate.
vanhu va relate u yi twi kwini u kotala
Yeah.
one pieces
Yeah.
swa fana na munhu wa munhu na xitori yi rhandziwa ngopfu ka social media too much. I think there's thousands of videos leti nga ndliwa sweswi ka TikTok but I randa because of that and I'm telling you that song is a sing along ne
Exactly.
it's very catchy, it's a sing along loko wo fika u yi dropa gigini sweswi I'm telling you hambi
Vanhu va ta
na tixaka
sing along.
letin'wana se ta yi tiva ngoma liya
Yeah.
loko wo fika u yi dropa gigini that song vanhu va ta yi yimbelela so yeah the song is doing well the song is doing well
Yeah, mina ngoma leya ne loko ni kona ni yingisangi ni vula ku a ni yingisangi ni khani la ku yingisela ku yi reviewer loko ja kha yi chaya because yeah na namuntlha I think yi chayini la a ni ri kona vhele before ni ta lawa so yi va leswi swo tala ngopfu ne ku i xitori mhaka ku leswi a swi endleki leswi na swi endleki xongo kumbe tindhawu to tala ti-points to tala ngopfu and I think one thing that Xongi did which was good ne i ku make sure ku ri u khumba ti-point leti vanhu va relate ka tona
wo hi ku ti-problems leti vanhu va hlanganaka
hlangana na tona ne
Yeah.
i tikhumbini
Etikhumbini.
na mi kuma ku ri vanhu va 5 ne
va relate
maybe 3 out of 5 swo va relate cause xin'we xi le ku endlekeni tshana mujolo wo tirho o yini xilo xi le ku endlekeni so seminari ri nga tsala hi Xongi ne i seminari ro u tsala hi ku ya hi ku ku endleka yini sweswiwani so it's good I mean I love the song it's not and then that song he produced win and one thing I can say ne Xongi xa yimbelela
yeah
kaneti
kaneti
wani Xongi wa yimbelela mako ya
kaneti
wa yimbelela mamani
wa yimbelela and judging from the album ne beside xitori
yeah
loko ni kha ni ta namuntlha ni yingisele album
yeah
the album is well produced ne is well produced and loko va ku munhu wa kula ka xilo hi leswi ni nga swi yingisela comparing na ti previous albums leti nga releasiwa ne
yeah
the album is well produced kuna statement xin'wanyana xi nga tshama xi va koho kwala ka evunangeni
yeah
xa ku ndzumba wu le ku feni ne and president Mayengani yi fika yi swi kaneta ku ri ndzumba wu le ku feni of which mina I still support the statement xa ku ndzumba wu le ku feni
yeah
the reason I'm mentioning this i ku president Mayengani vona yi fika yi tsala hi album liya ya
Xongi yeah
ivi yi tsala ku ri ndzumba a wu safe
I'll save
not checking ku ri that album was
Not
produced
elements. Ivo man.
Ibomani.
And
it's
even
mixed.
Labangale.
The only song that I feel like in Zumba
Yeah.
album there is
Yeah.
the last song. Ibulaula ini.
Vale Shwongo.
Yes.
Vale Shwongo.
Wait.
I mean, no time, Vale Shwongo.
Yashibongo imanyana yo. Yashibongo imanyana yo.
Chitore.
Yashibongo imanyana yo.
Mas tá aquela cara recorda, né? Le cara business no ben mengal ala mar business. Mas isso material.
Lia ya byala na swigangu.
Anzing cara alba.
Uyingise byala na swigangu ne
Ndzumba, ne?
I can attest lower inzumba ne yo pfumala element ya 1 ya ndzumba but inzumba
Yup, mas hasta elementale icon ai tai chelu di man.
yo pfumala element ya 1 ya ndzumba but
Yeah.
inzumba
Yeah.
letin'wanyani panya sanga i producer ne
I think Panyas na gift.
yes va fiki va mixa the elements ta xigaza xa ma 2K
And the plus in Panyas ne is locked in ka sound this one.
Ka sound ya sweswi,
Producer
yes.
lawan ba sweswi.
so statement xa ku inzumba that album mina ni yimi na xona
Yeah, vela Xongi swa fana na le ka album leyi yi nga hundi. Liya a ku nga ri na ndzumba sukuyeni.
yes
So I don't know, maybe Ben Manga has been Ben Manga. So mina DJ kuna xin'wana that is my wish ne. It's been my wish. Xongi Rangani is doing well on music as a female artist. Ne? Very well. Na swi lava hi nga tshama na Xongi hi n'wi tiva. Mara loko ni kha ni vutisa lava faneleke va rhamba vanhu ve ri a hi munhu wa podcast.
yeah there's few artists ka Matsonga ne lava va nga believeki ka ku ya ka podcast of which I don't know why
Mara mina from yo Xongi Rangani is very much vocal ka social media. Ne? Very much vocal. Ai munhu lawa ku u tumberini.
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah.
Ku ringana ku anga lunguta ka podcast. Ema Xongi. Loko video leyi mi fikela ne kombela ku mi taka podcast. And xin'wana xikombelo xa mina timhaka ta ku me ni mi rhandza ngopfu ani lweni na n'wina na ni blockeni njhe.
kambe u block mara why you block wena
No swi hleketelela ani sure. Ne?
what if I'll block one
Ni endliwa yini?
I don't know kasi we okay ni byeli sweswiwani
Loko mo
wo ka u nga ha voni ti status
a na ha voni tiphuni loko ni secha ku Mona Lisa a yi nge humi account
A yi humi.
a yi ku humiwa ku huma leya tin'wana ene ku huma leswi maybe vanhu va nga swi posta ne mara account leyi a yi humi liya
U lo tsala
ya
yini?
Mona Lisa
u lo tsala yini
lexi nga endleka ne hi timhaka ta ku a ni min'we va mahengani i tlhe ku wa 30 minutes n'we va mahengani hina hi tshiki ni vulavula la se lexi nga endleka DJ ne Xongi Rangani u posti ka Facebook ni ravela ka a posti ku yini ne a nga pfumelani na swona mina so mara mina a ni fikanga ni xerile status xa mara a ni vulanga ni pfumelani na swona no fika ni ku hayi sweswi data na phone swi nga swa Xongi as in like she can say whatever she wants to say i data ya yena i phone ya yena then a few hours later loko ni nghena ka profile mina ya Facebook yi ri this content loko share swa munhu va delete this content is not available so mina la ku vona ku yo delete that post na so ni ya ku searcheni ka Mona Lisa a nga home na munhu wabo and kombeleni la ka DJ Sawu ni kombeleni ka searcheni
kwamba apologize
ni loko apologize ka a very big platform swi tika ngopfu munhu ka apologize ka platform leyiwani ne yi kulukumba ngopfu sorry ni kombela mina unblocka hi ku mina na mfollower ni la ku vona leswi mi swi vulavulaka and mara na ha to engage sweswo a hi xi vona ni ta tlhela ni engage futhi na n'wina and swin'wana nga pfumelana na swona ni ta vulaka ni pfumelana na swona mara na mi rhandza and loko mi ta tshama laha xitulini lexiwani hi vulavula
let's hope so let's hope the message
Okay.
wa fika la u ya kona
wa apology
wa apology
na wa invite lo wa invite ne ni ta kombela ku ni ta posta clip leyiwani mina loko se yi ta hi humini this episode ne kombela ku mi vanhu va share yi za yi fika ka Manxongo hi kombela va ta laha Manxongo ku fana na lava nga hi va lavaka to ni nga va vuli cause hi focus ka Manxongo DJ
Yeah.
ni kwatini
kwatela
ni
yini
kwatini
wa
ni kwatini
Wa taleriwa.
na taleriwa and ni kwatisa hi mhaka ku misala i Mutsonga na ene i khala a nga demand loya swa ni kwatisa Matan rin Nota na mashab. Nota baloy. Nota. The man is actually Bliss boy ne. Shiri Makhadzi urandana na financial mo show Bliss boy. And a Bliss boy and the man is actually shilaba mali ka yena. And I saw a big thing. I saw a big. I saw kuba just a guy nje alaba kumali ka Makhadzi and then he will leave.
So what?
So what? So what? If you leave, so what? No, me want to say is no. Tabalo is Bliss boy is big. Bliss boy. What business gonna na ye?
Yena Nota.
No, isiku isingakona. Ne washti wana yena and ka music pulse ne. Bahleli bangizwe so. Even then I take into washti wana yena not. So not still Bliss boy ne is great. Bliss boy is great and I know nglawa na. Balo tata samala.
Sendela request angisenhlamula but yeah.
I check in kombe ngunamito wakunotha msto kwa ngasibo social one. Ngifixeleni ngiranda and watch Xitsonga. Nota balo Bliss boy is big. And then Shibena Makhadzi is genuine and now runs. Ashiyelang mali Bliss boy. Bliss boy has been doing well before Arandana Makhadzi. You think I'm going to tell him DJ? Watch Popani.
But okay. Ngomba kuvula leswi ne. Bliss boy has been doing well.
Yeah.
Before Arandana Makhadzi. But you know the relationship thing one ta fika to elevator.
The relationship Makhadzi na Bliss boy elevate Bliss boy njani musical.
Not musical.
Njani okay social.
Social. Kuba utiveka.
Mara vanhu both talk Bliss boy.
No, I'm saying remember Bliss boy is dating someone lo ativekaku. Not only a South African.
Yeah.
One pieces. So what I'm saying is Bliss boy had his own people. Ativeka ka Matsonga and all that, ne? One pieces. Ativeka ka Matsonga and all that. If Bliss boy was not dating Makhadzi, maybe abangata bakhavulavula yena ka music.
Makur abavulavuli shigaza ka music pass. If they did, and West part ne, like after Bliss boy una ritsimura Paul, una Lwandle Lukulu la. She's big. She's very big le KwaZulu. And I not watch Lwandle Lukulu. She's very big. So Bliss boy is doing very well. And a Bliss boy, if you tell Lwandle Lukulu, atatiwa Lwandle Lukulu. So local boys aba focus on KwaZulu, guys. They would know who gonna Bliss boy. They would know guys gonna J John, gonna Black Meat, gonna Sign Free, gonna Bliss boy, gonna G-Man, gonna Rosa, gonna Kanye. They would know. But I'm good. I was in. Futhi ngoba yena tawakona why anga
Nota I know ukwatisela emaka yako emchangana.
Why ngabunyana J John nyana
Bona
Bliss boy is mara mina nilisana ku Bliss boy just a small boy nje ihlaba kumali.
That is wrong.
Not.
That is wrong.
It's not.
That is wrong. But what I'm saying is leswi nzama kubyela swona ku ri from that relationship ne Bliss boy vanhu lava a ri na vona or the followers leti a ri na tona ne remember wesweswi loko va fika va ku wesweswi
Jordan Beyonce.
ujola Beyonce you going there with your fans loko fika le
not Beyonce na Megan Good that will pressure me na.
yes loko fika le se u tiwana hi defense ta Beyonce one twisisa maybe 90% ya defense ta Beyonce ti ta sungula ku rhandza wena because u rhandzana na Beyonce. So what I'm saying is
So mi vula ku na yitwa ne mara leswi ni ala ku show it maka ta ku Bliss boy xilava mali ka Makhadzi
yale yo lava mali
swona ala sweswo
yale yo lava mali
and ala yin'wana ya ku Bliss boy just a guy nje
Yale
just a
na ala
guy
na
he's our
yale na
icon
ala. Yale na
guys
ala.
sama 2K man
yale na ala na mina what I'm saying is
we inspire band man na ala Nota baloyi
what I'm saying is
check out Bliss boy bro check out number that in the Bliss boy
kasi mfo wanga nyikari na
Nota one kwatisa man Nota one kwatisa no I check number that Bliss boy I check number that Bliss boy from ipili ya nani ya inga boy hlanyosi I check iPaul seswane si featuring ka ngoma ile Mozambique I check
that's
Bagdang Malia I check Nota balo it can't be right
no you know what I'm saying emashabane
a nga lavi ku ni yingisela damani
loyiwani
a ni swi tivi namuntlha u ti anwini
a nwi mati laha mhleni ma heta ni kombe mati man'wana
okay an ali leswi Nota
nyikeni lamwana
leswi Nota a nga swi vulavula ne ku ri swi wrong ne
a ni kaneti ku swi wrong
leswi Nota a nga swi vula
wait it's wrong for Nota to say Bliss boy u lava mali because we don't know ku ri Bliss boy u lava yini ka Makhadzi we don't know swi tiwa yena
swi kohi n'wa hi swi tiva ku a xi lavaka sweswi xi obvious
swi tiwa yena
no va sangu wa ri lava u lava sangu
swi tiviwa yena
man twisisa but mina what I'm saying mashava ne i ku ku va daman a rhandzana na Makhadzi elevation yi fiki yi va kona
a ni kaneti mani ni kanetanga
hi leswi a ni zamaka ku byela swona
na pfumela
sweswo leswi u swi vulaka ku a ni yimi na swona leswi Nota a nga swi vula but what I'm saying is growth ya Bliss boy
yi fiki elevator after loko daman va ku rhandzana na Makhadzi
mara a hi ntiyiso mi vonini hahani mara since yi kuma na mfana loya
yi tsaki ngopfu
yi tsaki ngopfu yi tsaki ngopfu
so mirini hina hi lava nga yi ri na vona Baby John. No, I'm talking Bliss boy. I'm talking Bliss boy. Yeah, be a tira. Look, uta. Pero ako dlawa makasi kala na malaka tola. Tonan. Lagom jesh ngwan, nasungwana sungwan, ne? Phela Makhadzi ne khale ar gengwini khala na mali, ne? Akatola mafurama hambana. Akatwana na vanhu va hambanahambana swi nga fika Mtsonga
se mi ri Master KG
xi lo na fika Mtsonga ne xi n'wi nyika
Master KG
n'wina open mic ya n'wina bayizita i Master nga KG
wa swi kota leswi endliwaka hi Bliss boy
a hi le Jerusalema la
a hi ndzeni ka Makhadzi na Bliss boy
hi maxava ne so swi kuma Bliss boy xikoho xi n'wi nyikaka swona ne swi n'wi dlosaka xi na chukela Bliss boy xi na chukela Nota xi na chukela Bliss boy a swi tivi swo fana na sweswo ya mahlweni ne
wo tshikana ne ku va namba ya ku hilweleni liya
loko tshikana Bliss boy mina wa hava beef loko tshikana hava beef
a ni ka social media swi tshama kha swi byela damani swi re muna nyimbisa dayide
na mina ngizwe nyimbisa u tshikiwa u ri na mbewu nyana nyimbisa and the black myth alandliwani lukulu a xi nyimbisa Bliss boy a nyimbisa Makhadzi
yeah okay
ka lwani lukulu August ke le ka usikoni wa ka Gaza all right
sikoni wa ka Gaza ogamusi aba n'wi yisi na le bush a nga vuyangi na chumu
ne boxi ri valambala u wina mpahla u wina xona baji ne boxi ri vo lombana xileswiya ne buku loko ve ni problem ka Gaza na ne boxi ku loko ve ni problem ka Gaza xi ri xinoro baji lexiya a va hlamuli ku xa Kennice kumbe xa Ogana xi ku direct xi ku Brooklyn fana manyikosi la ka himbana manyikosi leya a va hlamuli ku ya Bliss boy kumbe ya Black Myth
bina sign na lero
na degrade i thing ya
skipa
ya skipa lexiya xi ku a va hlamuli
no
sweswi i tlhe xi ku gogo the pro na swa mafakeni na ne ku misisesexini na swikomu lo mbonaka swona xi busy ngonepo
a swi kova endla ku
xi ri swikova lo mbonaka swona xa ha ri ku va sisesexini xi busy ngonepo ne boha wa penga
okay let's move ne
yeah
la hi vulavula hi ti streams ne na ku ti streams leti ta endla mali na hi ku ya hi mina ne
at the end
they are not making money as we think
yeah
you know why I don't know it's how many streams ne
yeah
ti generate ko one cent
yeah
ne I feel like artist ta ka Gaza ne
Mirini Gogo the cause.
info
Yeah.
I don't know ku ri loko ni langutise ti-artist ta Matsonga ne ingaku va tsutsumisa ngopfu ti-streams
Yeah.
ku ri ku na ti-streams tingani
So what go trailer?
ka Spotify na le ka YouTube.
Kala YouTube.
Swa tirha, yes. Swa tirha. Because I think when I remember 1 million views ka YouTube ne. Loko ni tsundzuka kahle I think it was around voma 40 to 50k.
Yeah.
Yes.
I push him jolo na.
1 million views.
I push him jolo.
Yeah. But lava ku va clear ka artist ta Matsonga. Ti streams atondla ngopfu mali. Lexi ndlaku mali.
Ni fact check yale na lo correct na stongo before we amatleni bangata yebula. Sina it depends.
Okay.
Kuna low end ne?
Yeah.
Batsale ku music na comedy ne? It ranges from 10,000 to 30,000.
Yes.
Kuna mid range ne?
Yeah.
It's lifestyle, vlogs and gaming. It's from 20,000 to 60,000.
Yes.
Then kuna high paying niches ne? It's finance, tech and education.
Yeah.
Goes up to 80k to 150 plus. Yeah, but it's a lot of money.
Look, nakona loko remember loko YouTube ne yi ku endlela mali loko u ri na I think it's 1,005 or 1,000
Yeah,
subscribers.
yeah.
That's when it starts generating money for you. Nakona loko u yi monetize
Yeah.
YouTube.
I think makali ya timali ka diroka swi na ti-levels nyana ani na NQF level 8
Ini? Ini?
yi na NQF level 8 se loko mali you will from a point of privilege yaku yo ixikolweni
Stream xin'we xi ranja from 4 cent to 10 cent.
And mashava yi mention mhaka yin'wana ya matimba ngopfu. Ti-artist a hi yeni xikolweni. Na mina ta va ni kha ni graduate a hi khale. Ni artist leyi nga dyondzeka ne.
I graduated.
I graduated as the
I wena xo karhi.
Yeah.
tsandzeka fundi kona
Exactly.
Aba episode ya general segment.
Yeah.
Kume
Fundi yi nyika information hinkwayo ya ku loko u tsandzeka ku ti hakelela u hakeleliwa njhani.
Per stream ka Spotify ne?
Yeah.
Yi ranja from 4 cent to 10 cent.
4 cent to 10 cent. Stream chai 1.
Yeah, so 1 million ngakunyika between 40 and 100k.
Close to what I was saying.
Yeah, so ngona kuma kwa amyo
Noti swapper, yeah.
the platform. The platform. So mina lewan ne ni filanga ri hakela matak boy. I ntama ni ya into details but leswi va sala va phisa kisona ne you can tell go. So hakela because what no one like cash go okay, let's take it to 500. Let's take it to 1 million. Let's take it to 4 million. Let's take it and I wonder let's like ngano ma 4 million so ntwanye kuma.
That's why niku wa bona loko ti fika ka ti million ne. They get a lot of money ne.
Yeah.
I think that's another reason. Ni vona vanhu va n'wi blame Lekker ku va a humesa ti single.
Single yeah now and then.
But I feel like Lekker u fika a kuma xigodi xa ku ingaku loko u humesa ti inani ni le ku generating ka mali
because almost all his songs they're above a million.
Yeah, ta fika million.
Because umaka mina ya ku clock a million sis. I wonder what mama mun boy is na what kind.
But yeah, another thing lexi ndlaku mali ngopfu. Another thing lexi ndlaku mali ngopfu.
Yeah. Mbule swin'wana Oh.
Another thing xi nga va endlela ku mali ngopfu i ti shows. Remember loko u kuma ti gig. Every gig la u ya kona maybe ku va ku na vanhu va 10 lava nga wu tivi ku music wa wena.
Go get this back team.
Yes. And loko wo cheka loko artist ni show artist to tala ta swi whenever they perform obvious the streams ta skyrocket every time loko
that's skyrocket. That's what Flash was talking about ku fashion lwango pfuneleka DJ to tlanga ti remix ta Xitsonga ti nga ri ku swo yimbelela. They must register with I don't know you must go to Flash Contest page.
Yeah.
Ko loko ti tlangiwa ti combine ne if there's some type of video so loko yi twala yi generator stream
va swi vitana yini?
generator income.
I just forgot ku va swi vitana yini. It's
Yeah.
there loko u register music wa wena ka Samro. Na yeah, loko na le ka RIS. It's there. Kuna inani ya kona la. It's licensing. Why register?
Because what DJ number for not mal don't tell ngo tshwe.
Why register ku
Loko ka koramela.
loko yi performiwa somewhere. Ifane generator mali. You know the problem leyi nga kona ne I ku event leti ya ka tona. A ti event leti ti nga registered na vo art and culture na yini.
Kuna munhu nga boza question yale and Flash answered very well.
Yes.
Ku ri loko ko va ka event ne ka mapayini
Yes.
ku komba ngwadlamuni stole ne ne
Yeah.
ivi tigulani leti kombeni kha bisiwa sema DJ nama loko mina ta zaxi balance xitolo live ni teka video
Yeah.
ne loko no posta ka TikTok or ka Facebook that's when yi recognize wa
Yes.
like you generate mali but loko yo tlanga nje hayi stela kwala like you are saying gore they're not licensed like those events
Yes.
stela kwala mara aba ended timhaka to va endla yini they must register with that thing
Yeah.
and then ku start ku endla yini start ku loko na ka post video letiya va endla mali because bona bana va rambo gigin
Yeah. Because what I'm telling you,
base be ri khale kai vulavula a ho gege chap
yeah, what I'm telling you loko event yaleyo yo va ku ri event leyi Borisa na vo Samro na vo Sampra ti nga involved.
yeah
I'm telling you loko va tlanga ngoma ya wela
ibe
ya endla mali.
correct money will come.
Man will come.
Okay,
Let's
hey,
move.
Hey, DJ. Kuna ingoma singiloko and then ga sa say. Xin'wana xo katango kata wa ni nga kuma ngi kha ni koti ku dende na.
Tshame ni xi posting ka Facebook. I'm not sure if you remember. Ni xi posting ka Facebook ni xingoma lexi mi xi twa kahle.
Xin'wana xo wa nga kuma ngi khale ni duvuli hi mbila rirhandzu i bama xa rirhandzu
Xa mani guys?
xa vita xo dende ni swi teke vo mani leswi
Wo ni xi search la ku.
vanhu lava va swi taka vo mani hawa hi secheni dende
Mara nga ri ku na xihlangi lexi va ri mani va ri seki. Va ri mani?
ya xikoxa hi xo ngwenya hlangi lexiya hi xo ni xirhandza
Dende ne?
va ri inseki xikona
Vona va ku mani na mani.
ku na Nseki ku na Tyler Mixin ku na Rocky ku na DJ Slash ku na Mahlori I don't even know any of them here
I think this girl ni xi tiva hi mhaka ku ni vona David u xi posta too much.
David David
Wa xi posta too much.
David watch post too much
But it's a very good song.
i xapa ngoma lexiya kombela ku vanhu va mahlweni va xi streama xikuma xi bakudla dendende
blind.
wa ni nga kumangi khale xi bakudla
Ni
very dendende ne
Yeah,
ra Nseki Rocky DJ Slash Mahlori Tyler Mixin so loko hi pfala so DJ
yeah.
ku na nkulukumba wan'wana a tivaka swinene a nga ya ka social media a fika a kombisa mhaka yin'wana Solmakam
U tiveka ka social media or u tiveka
u tiveka ka Matsonga and he's a popular guy on social media leswi vulaka loko a vulavula swilo ne swi gain a lot of traction
Yeah.
so u fika mhaka leswaku u cheki the current generation music wa vona na message a kombisa leswaku swi tikomba hi nga ri Xikwembu a xi appreciate-iwi ku appreciate ngopfu va le hansi ne Mikwembu ne a kombisa ku swi tikomba i nga ri leswi vanhu va swi achievaka a swi suki ka Xikwembu suka ka Mikwembu a kombisa concern ya ku I'm paraphrasing a kombisa concern ya ku se swa chusa nyana na loko u ku swa wena u swi kuma ka Xikwembu hi ku Xikwembu xa mention ngopfu ivi a ku ngopfu ka ma 2K loko mo yingisa ngoma ta kona Mikwembu this Mikwembu ya mina that Mikwembu ya mina this nga ku Xikwembu a xa khota ngopfu ma vona so na ku tiva ku n'wina loko mi va mi vona video leya ya Solmakam mi feel njhani hi mhaka leya a nga yi hlamusela
I feel like he's right. Leswi a swi vulaka ne? Because mina ka tin'wana ti-artist I think hi tshami hi swi vulavula na Mashava ne
Yeah.
ku ri tin'wana ti-artist ti fika ti mixa Xikwembu na Mukwembu
Yeah.
of which ani va soli munhu wani na wani
kuna ngoma leya Rosa leya yo Xikwembu xa mina xi na Mukwembu mina phaphapha
Xikwembu xa mina xi na matimba
Yeah.
yes na DJ Mumba kuna la a nga fika mixa Xikwembu na Mukwembu
swi tele ngopfu Xikwembu
yeah
na
swi tele but as Solly Makam said swi tele ngopfu ku ri artist ta Matsonga sweswi ti tata ngopfu Mukwembu ku tlula Xikwembu but let's look at it this way.
Yeah.
What if lava hi nga va yingisela na lava nga yingiseliwa hi Solly Makam all of them va believe ka Mukwembu.
That was my take.
Yeah.
That was my take.
Yes.
What if awembelela ngopfu hi swona ko va leswi va ku pfumela
I believe ka swona one twisisa or what if loko va tsala ngoma they felt like yi ta sounda better loko ni yimbelela
so because I know of I think a few artists ne leti mahuma principal mloko women principal mloko na ngona women me cause ngam principal mina what I was saying ne iku there's no way to about a few artists ne but I listen to their songs akuna Mukwembu Jimen
yeah
na J
Jimen
John
utata Xikwembu
na J John anisa mantonga ba J John khavala Xikwembu ne ikhavala Mukwembu kuna ngoma yin'wana ya because I scored ku ri vula kahle vutleriwani ya shona na Viket ya ku va
Kanana yes
ngoma leya ne I vula timhaka ta ku vanhu very shishi ya Ken mara I timhaka to Ken so they are there it's a few
it's
so
few artists,
I feel like let's maybe swi va tirhela
yeah that's one ku yes concern ya Solly Makam na yitwa ne and that's one thing I've realized na mina ku ri va yimbelela ngopfu hi Mukwembu but loko ni langusini I feel like hi leswi vo va believe ka swona and munhu ku believe ka yini u nge n'wi
swa yena
u nge n'wi cinci one twisisa if va believe ka Mukwembu it's up to them.
Guys hi vulavula ngona namuntlha close to 3 hours
hey
mara from loses kala va baku swilo swi nga twali to wins kala va nga graduate ka music wa Xitsonga hi tsakini and we are here ku analyze na ku nyika mavonelo ya hina and then a tlheri ta futa ku ri a hi zondi munhu and a hi avanyisi munhu wo hlela vunanga bya Xitsonga whether i xikaza i gospel i marabenta i reggae mo selesele shangu ina selesele ma selesele bayi suti de man le chela le chae ma chama selesele wa mtu selesele ko lawane
xikwamula yeah no ke singopfu Matsonga ma ka hina lexi ni nga xi vulaka i ku to ya mahlweni hi breaka down hi timhaka ta music wa Xitsonga a hi avanyisi munhu a hi kheti munhu na loko fila nga ku u la ku tala zwakala hi ta va hi ri na wena and mi nga rivali ku ri ku langusa ntsena ti-episode mi nga subscribe a swi hi kurisi kombela ku mi subscribe mi hi followa na le ka social media and all that Xangani Gang ana ha ri na swo tala swo swi vula
ta khumba ka episode leyi nga ta vona ya general ne ti ku ta gospel ta Matsonga
a ni tiva ku ri na pastor donation a ni swi tivi yena
ni vula hi vanhu va serious okay inkome cause
Joro